Welcome to the Bigboard Touch System demo from AuctionStar. AuctionStar is excited to announce the new touch system for Bigboard auctions. In this video, we will demo the user interface. The system uses 7-inch touchscreen devices that will be set up at the Bigboard tables. The number of devices you use depends on the number of items you have up for auction. A guest will come up to a device which will be set up with a barcode scanner. If there are more than one Bigboard categories, the user will be shown a list of those categories to select from. If only one Bigboard category is available, the user will be shown a list of items in that category. When a guest comes up to a station, they will see a list of items. The list will include the item ID, the item title, the value, the starting bid, and the current bid along with the current bidder's name. If the guest wants to place a bid on a particular item, they simply touch anywhere on the row for that item. When they do that, they will be taken to the bidding window, where they are asked to enter the maximum amount that they are willing to pay for that item. To control the bidding amount, they will use the set of arrows here on the bottom right, and the first set of arrows is the minimum increment. Second set is 5 times the minimum increment, and the last set is 10 times the minimum increment. By clicking the up arrows, they can increase the amount, and by clicking the down arrows, they decrease that amount. Now the value for this item is 1020, so let's say the maximum amount I'm willing to pay for it is 900, so I simply click on the arrows to make that amount 900. To complete my bid, I have to scan my barcode as shown here on the diagram. So I will do that right now. Once I do that, I will be given a confirmation window where it tells me my name, my bid ID, the maximum bid that I am about to place, the item number, and the item title. Now at this point I have to scan my barcode a second time to complete the bid. Here I will get a confirmation, and it will tell me what my current high bid is, which is 250. That was the starting bid, and after a few seconds the window will revert back to the item list. And as we can see here, now we have item 202. The current bid is 250 by Liz Medina. So let's say another user comes to another station and they want to bid on the same item. Now keep in mind that she has a maximum bid of 900. So if another person comes in and the maximum amount that they're willing to pay is, let's say, 750, what's going to happen is once they select the amount, they scan their barcode, it's going to tell them that somebody else has already bid, placed a bid higher than theirs, and it tells them who that current person is. And as you can see, the new current high bid for Liz Medina is 800. And what happened there is that the system automatically bid for Liz, since her maximum bid was 900 and the other bidder was willing to pay 750, then it gave Liz or a bid for her with the next highest increment. So now her current high bid is 800. The system also allows the guest to search for a particular item. To do that, they simply click the search button here at the bottom, and they can do a search by item ID, or if they click here, they can do a search by text. Basically, it'll search the description and any text or content for that particular item. In this case, we're going to do an item ID search. So we type in the item ID and then click search. And it'll take them directly to the description of that item. If they want to place a bid, they click the press here to bid, and they will be taken to the bidding window. If you notice here at the bottom, there's also a details button. So Every time a guest is taken to the window, the bidding window, they can always click details to see the full description for an item. Another feature of the touch system is the donate button. You can enable this via the settings, and if it is enabled you will see the donate button here at the bottom, and the guests can touch that button and they are taken to the window where they can specify how much they want to donate. Let's say they want to donate 400. You simply select that amount, and again they're gonna scan their barcode, scan it a second time to confirm, and their donation will be recorded in the system. And again, after a few seconds, the screen will revert back to the item list. This concludes the demo for the Bigboard Touch system. Thank you for your time.